Hi, where is opportunity? Opportunity lies in what your customer asks and what the client asks, what your fans ask. That's where its opportunity is. Now, for example, in my over 24,000 views of this video, there's a question raised by Abhirawa. And the person asks, I want to search a max date for an outlet. So it's right here, want to search a max date for 8 outlets. So what is the data set about? Now this is the data set. So it consists of many dates and many outlets. So for each outlet, consists of many lists, but they want to know the latest date. So the end result will be that for, let's say that if I just look at the A, then I want to know which one is the least, which one is the max, right? So you can really just call you can see that the max for outlet A is on the 9th of April. And look at that, this is the A is not the, let's just talk about it, let's refresh it. Well, for outlet A is on the 9th of April. How could it be? Let's just see. Oh yeah, that's because I cannot just use the max, right? I should use the, because this is what I call that is a total already filter. So you should call the fourth item. Let's just say 7/4, right? 7/4. Yeah, this is the one, right? So let's look at that. Is 7/4. But this is done in Excel. So how do you do it in Power BI? So it's the same step, right? Whether you use a Power BI or a Power Query here, and you see that. Watch that. So how do you do that? So first of all, let me just duplicate calendars, and I'll just do delete onto the step. So basically I have this here and I have a group, so I go to group by, and I'll just look at group by the outlet and look at all the rows, and here I just put there all details of each group, and I click OK. I have a table for each my group, and now I want to extract only that dates column. How to do that? Well, you can go to add column, choose custom column, and over here you call the M language called table.columns. Yes, that's right. This is a very handy M language, right? So now I go to the all details, comma, and I search for the dates column. I want Power Query to extract the dates column, and click OK. It will give me a list. Now once you are in the list, right, so look at my over 24,000 views that video. How do you extract from the list the max value? Yes, that's right. You call it, if you recall that, right, just with the list.max, and then so we just ask Power Query, right, go to this list here, get me the max value, and it will give me the list here, and I will just go to do compare with the date, and then rename it to latest date. And now I know that each outlet, what is the latest date. Now this is very handy, right? Click on home and then check close, and it will load into tools. Alright, if you like to know more about this, you want to learn, you want to be very good in Power Query, then do consider enroll my Power Query Level 3 class. Thanks for watching. God bless you. God bless Asia. Together we excel before 50.